Makiria ma mathaa 72 thutha wa muniko wa mũiyũro kũhũra mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, Ngabana Sakaja nĩonekete rita rĩa mbere ceceni-inĩ ya Citizen TV ũtukũ wa mũthenya wa kiumia kuuga ona atekuoneka akoretwo o wĩra-inĩ.
I've been with my teams. We've been all over all the 17 sub-counties. And sometimes when I myself appear, when there's a rescue, the focus shifts. You know, I'm not a firefighter. I'm not somebody to... Why would I make it more difficult for those officers who are working? And they're doing a good job. And there are many of them. Jeff, if you ask the Minister of Public Service, if you ask the NDOC, we've been on constant communication. My teams, yesterday we met with the Kura people, the Urban Roads Authority, the, Kenha, National Highways Authority.
Arauga ona agikuaga mũrigo ta mũtongoria wa Nairobi kumwe gwa kuria mathina maya makirite gutire rungu rwa urugamiriri wake na nikio twete itua rĩa kunyitana na thirikari nene wiguano-ini wa kwageria Nairobi na kumihe utungata uratwarana na gikiro kia muciĩ munene.
Areas severely affected. Uhuru Highway, Westlands Roundabout, TRM, Mbagathi Way, Mombasa Road, South Sea, Thika Super Highway, Enterprise Road, Langata Road, Jogo Road, Lunga. If I decide to say, oh, those are roads under Kura and Kenha, and I do nothing about it, then who provides leadership? Yes, those roads are not under the county, but the county has leadership. The budget for those roads, for their storm drains, for their expansion, to make sure they're unclogged. They even contractors who are on performance contracts are not with us as a county.
Akihinyĩrĩria ati no nginya mĩako yothe ĩrĩ kũrĩa gũtabatie ta njĩra-inĩ cia maaĩ na gũkuhĩ na njũĩ yehere, augĩte tiga thirikari ya rutũrũrĩtie andũ gũkuhĩ na njũĩ, ngero ĩrĩa ĩraumanire na mũiyũro ũyũ ĩngĩrĩ njũru makĩria.
If we hadn't moved those who were on Nairobi River and Ngong River last year, the numbers would have been far worse. It would have been crazy.
Really?
Yes. And that's why we're insisting on that 60-meter riparian. A lot of it has been done. People are asking, why have we done it only on the lower level? Kileleshwa, Lavington, all the way up. We're coming. We have to do it.
Kuringana nake thina munene uria wiho ni gukorwo thengia wa uingi wa andu aria mari Nairobi tuikareire oro mitaratara na mifango iria yareirwo miaka-ini ya tene na ndiri ya ndandurwo.
I'm glad that people can now see that yes, the city is growing. We're dealing with a generational infrastructure deficit, drainage built for 500,000 people, planning, and development control for a smaller city than we have today. But the reality is we can't just whine, we have to do it.
No thengia wa mifango iria thirikari irarira, Ngabana Sakaja arauga ni mũrigo wa o mũndũ gutigĩrĩra ni areka uria kwagĩrĩire na mũno ũhoro-inĩ wa gũte gĩko.
Fired 4,500 Green Army who are out there and clogging every single day, but who dumps in those drains? Who is littering in those drains? We provided bins, but you'll still see there's a responsibility that all of us must bear. But we'll sort it out once and for all. We must be the generation that sorts out the problem.
Akiregana na uhoro ati niaremetwo ni gutereba Nairobi, Ngabana Sakaja augite thina munene uria umuremereire ni wagi wa kigina kiiganu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.